a quick little tour of the Prius, kind of show you how I have things set up. Now this isn't going to be in-depth tour, but give you kind of an idea how I have my car set up. We'll just start off right in back where we're at. So you can see on the left hand side I have clothes over here, and then my solar panel is here. Move my shelf. I keep my window shades here, window screens here. In this container cabinet I have cooking stuff and then food in the other two drawers. This side of the car I have a 2000 watt power inverter. That's my charger for when I'm hooked up to shore power. That's my solar connector. And then behind here I have two 55 amp hour batteries. I'll pull this back here. I have two 55 amp hour batteries back there. Now let's go to the other side. And if we take a look back here where the passenger seat would have been and the back seat would be, I built a platform so I have storage underneath, and I keep everything in clear containers so it's easy to see. My extra batteries for my chainsaw, more containers, more storage. My chainsaw usually sits right there. And then if you look up above, I have storage as well. And then that chunk of wood that goes from side to side, that's where I keep my pans for cooking. Let's go to the passenger door now. If we take a look here at the passenger door, you can see I have some condiments right there. Two USB rechargeable fans. I have 8 gallons of water storage. I have an air fryer here, right there. That's my coffee maker. Just some storage for soap, vitamins, different things like that. Then this little thing sticking out the side, that's my water. And then if we go to the door behind the driver's seat, there's the platform right here, and this folds up so I can get to my storage underneath, and it folds all the way up. There's where my cooking utensils are and food storage. That little contraption hanging there is where I keep all my plastic bags for garbage. And then you need to utilize as much space as you can. If we look down here, I have peanut butter, I have a bag of potatoes, bag of apples, and of course another pan and some pancake mix. Let's go to the driver's door. If we take a look where the driver's seat is, pretty typical driver's seat, but at least you can see where my air fryer is, coffee maker, and if we look right there, that's my fridge where I keep all my food. And that is just kind of a quick little look of how I have my Toyota Prius set up for car camping.